So here's how to fix failed to initialize Vulkan in Dota 2 error. First, you want to go to Steam and then right click on Dota 2 and go to properties. So if you have it already installed, you should see a installed files section. You want to click on it and then click on verify the integrity of game files. Now that process should take a while to verify the integrity of game files. Now, once that process is complete, you want to right click on Dota 2 and then go to properties again. Now under general tab, you want to go to the launch options and then type the following command -no vid space -console space -dx11. Now you should close this window. Now you can simply try to launch Dota 2 again to see if that solves the problem. And if you're still having an issue with it, next what you can do is right click on Dota 2 and then click on manage and then click browse local files. Now you want to go to game folder, bin 164 and then right click on dota2.exe, then click on properties, go to compatibility mode and make sure to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as admin. You can click on apply and OK. Now you can test if the game works, and what you can do is try to change the compatibility mode to run for Windows 7 mode. Then you can click on apply and OK and then try to launch the game again from Steam, and that should generally solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.